And my name is Nelson. In this video, I will tell you about the new airdrop from Jupiter and how to get JUP tokens in just a few steps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I try to find interesting projects for you as quickly as possible, ones that could potentially increase the value of your crypto portfolio. I'll leave the official link to participate in the description below the video. Jupiter is Solana's leading decentralized exchange aggregator, acting as a central hub for efficient token swaps by routing trades across multiple liquidity pools for best prices, evolving into a full DeFi ecosystem with lending, perpetuals, and governance, all powered by its native JUP token for community voting. It's essential infrastructure for the Solana DeFi space, offering features like dollar cost averaging and limit orders, with major airdrops boosting its user base. Let's move on to claiming the tokens. The first step is to have an active wallet on the Solana network. The wallet must interact with Solana, for example, by holding tokens, performing swaps, using bridges, and having a transaction history. In my case, my wallet is already 3 years old, and I have a long history of activity on this network. I currently have $9,582 worth of Solana and $1,194 JUP tokens. Next, you need to go to the official website, the link to which is in the description below the video. Then, you need to connect the wallet that's most active and has interacted with the Solana network. During the connection process, a window will appear asking you to confirm the connection to the site, which you'll need to confirm. After that, you'll need to wait about 5 minutes for the tokens to arrive in your wallet. It took just a couple of minutes, and I received $6,359 in Jupiter tokens. I strongly recommend that you don't miss this opportunity and take part in this event, as it's a great way to top up your crypto wallet. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below the video, and I'll be happy to help. Good luck, everyone!